is going to get further divided. To start, we'll just split it into sidebar and everything else. I'm going to call everything else chat. So let's make a sidebar component. New file inside the source directory called S sidebar.js. I'll import React and component from React. I'll make a class called S sidebar that extends or inherits from component. It needs a render method. The render method must return a React element, so we'll use JSX for that. I will make a div with a class of sidebar. I'll just put the word sidebar in there. And don't forget to export default sidebar. And we'll import that not in app, but in main. So in main at the top, I'll put a blank line after my other imports. Import sidebar from /sidebar. And where I have the word main right now, I'll just put a new tag with our fancy new sidebar component. Still about the simplest component that it's possible to make. Not quite, but close. So here I've pasted my sidebar component in Slack. What's that? Now don't replace main. Oh, the word main, yes. The word main that was on line 9. Yeah, don't replace the whole component or anything. Okay. So having made sidebar, let's go ahead and make chat. So make another new file called C chat.js. Again, I will import React and component from React. Good practice. Make a new class called chat. It extends or inherits from component. It needs a render method. The render method will return some JSX. I will make a div with a class of chat. I'll throw the word chat in there, just so I know it's on the page. Don't forget to export default chat. I've pasted this into Slack now too. Back in main, not app, we will import this. So we import sidebar, and now we'll import chat from /chat. And right underneath the sidebar here, we'll put a new tag with our new component. I know. I pasted the entire component in Slack. Keeping up with the typing is not the most important thing. And when you're done, it should look like this. The word sidebar and then the word chat underneath it. Yep, and I'll go ahead and repaste in main as well. Add sidebar and chat components.